everybody. I hope that you are having a great day. Today I'll be doing a what's in my makeup bag video. This is this one. It's the Victoria's Secret makeup bag. I got it for sale. I don't have my brushes inside because they're in that mug over. So if you guys are new to this channel, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down there where the purple is. And don't forget to turn on the notifications because I want to be doing a lot of new content very soon. So let's get into the video. It's gonna be very random. So this is all the stuff inside. I don't think there's a lot in here. But the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is my Love Spell potion. It's like a mist because sometimes you need that everywhere you go. Okay, right? And the next thing I got is this Naked Cosmetics. I've been loving this one from BoxyCharm, I mean. So these are the beautiful colors inside. And the next one is the BH Cosmetics Wild and Radiant Bronze Palette. Or bronze or something. What the hell? Did you guys saw that? Oh my goodness. That just fell out of nowhere. But it looks like this. I don't want to make it fall this time. But it's very pigmented. This is from BH Cosmetics. This is like the bronzer. Or you can do it as a highlight if you like on your face. I think this is pretty nice. I just didn't expect that thing to fall. I usually carry a hand sanitizer, but I guess today I don't. Because I usually clean out my makeup bag a lot and I forget things. And the next thing I have is the Ipsy Ultra liquid lipstick.
I think it doesn't have the color on it. But I'm wearing it right now. It's really beautiful. It's long lasting. Yeah, it is long lasting.
And then the next one is the Glam Metals palette. It looks like this. I'm pretty sure everyone's seen the swatches from this palette. I got this from BoxyCharm as well. And then the next thing is I got the Luminizer Primer from Dr. Brandt. I also got this from BoxyCharm. I'm always trying it out. I have like mixed reviews about this thing. But yeah, I'll let you guys know my honest review the next time I actually do a video. Because it takes me a while to actually get to know a product and a complete review. Just do a review right away if I'm not sure about the product. Then honestly, I don't really know 100% of the review about that product. The next thing is this type of palette as well. It doesn't have a name, which is called the Color Workshop and has all purples inside if you want to go purple. This is not open yet, but Wet n Wild blush. This is the color Farde. It looks like that. And I think it's pretty cute for like the springtime. Next one is this NYX Brow Kit. I call it Brow Kit, but it looks like this. It's like a dark brown. I use this for my brows and stuff like that. It's really cute. And then the next thing is this pencil for my, you know, my eyes and stuff like that. So it's like an eyeliner. It's the color Smoky Eye Pencil Jet Black. This I got it from BoxyCharm as well. And then I got another one from NYX. And I got my e.l.f. concealer. Wet n Wild Illuminating Palettes. This is like for like highlighting, or you can do it. You can use it for your eyes as well if you'd like. And then the next one is the Maybelline Mineral Powder, which I got in my makeup bag. And then the next one is my chapstick. Always need that. And I have my tweezers for my eyebrows. And then I got the Almay liquid eyeliner. What the hell just happened? What? Guys, I'm having some huge crisis right now. What is this? Guys, what is this? The Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse Foundation. And I got the color 40 Nude. So it's a little bit lighter in the summertime, but it's so perfect in the winter and fall for me. And then the next thing is this makeup wipe, because sometimes I need it ASAP. And then I got my mascara on here. And then I have this other concealer from CoverGirl. It's pretty nice. And this is the color Light Palito. And then I got the IT Cosmetics Brows, because I'm always obsessed with brows. And then I got this one. It's called Pearlise. And this is for mud mask. I got this from Ipsy. So overall, this is all what I got on my makeup bag. You guys don't believe me. So that's what I have. I hope that you guys like this mini video for Monday. I just wanted to try something a little different today. But if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And don't forget to turn on the bell. And I'll see you guys then. Bye, guys.